Saan kayo nag-trade? Anong platform or app guys? Yun. So, ang broker na ginagamit natin, Vantage Markets. So, ang nagustuhan ko lang dito is that mas mababa yung spread and kayang-kaya nating gawing swap-free yung mga accounts natin. So, since I'm always trading gold, and with gold nga, no, so always on the buy side lately, or makikita natin overall structure ni gold is on a buy. So, kapag nag-buy ka kasi with a different platform, yun, may tinatawag ng swap fee. Yun. So, kapag nakabay ka, mag-charge ka ng swap fee kapag inabutan ng overnight yung mga trades mo. And yun, maganda, no? Kapag ka nakaswap, free account ka, no? So, ibig sabihin, wala kang charge for the overnight position. So, you can trail, you can hold it for as long as it's going up. Ayan. So, kung nakabili ka sa mababa, and kahit months or weeks or even a year pa, pwede, no? So, pwede ka mag-iwan ng mga tanim na position sa baba. Ayan. So, upon breakout, kapag ka nakaiwan ka ng buy, yan, so you can just trail it, just move your stops on the positive zone, and then you will end up with the profit kapag ka nabalikan niya or kapag okay ka na doon sa na-reach ng position mo. So, yun lang. I encourage you to try Vantage Market. So, nandiyan lang yung link niyan sa may bio natin or sa may description box. And I also encourage you to join our Telegram community. So, I hope see you there.